Hi and welcome to this amazing section that we are going to implement fragments for multiple usages. There is a wide range of screen sizes in the market. Android comes in diverse shapes and various sizes of a screen in tablets and handsets. By providing adaptive UI for your application, make it available to more users and different devices. This section is all about reusability, easier maintenance, and much better user experience. In this video, we are going to explore screen compatibility. Since Android 1.6, Android has supported a variety of screen sizes and does most of the work to resize application layouts so that they properly fit each screen. Screen compatibility is the saver for applications that are not properly designed to resize for larger screens, such as tablets. There are two versions of screen compatibility mode with slightly different behaviors. Version 1, Android 1.6 to 3.1. The system draws the application's UI in a postage stamp window, which means that the system draws the application's layout the same as it would on a normal size of handset, but with a black border that fills the remaining area of the screen. Then there is the version 2, which is Android 3.2 and greater. In this version, the system draws the application's layout in the same as it would on a normal size handset, then scales it up to fill the screen. This essentially zooms in on your layout to make it bigger, which will usually cause artifacts such as blurring in your UI. This was introduced with Android 3.2 to further assist applications on the latest tablet devices. What we should consider when we want to make our app compatible. Consider screen size. Android groups all actual screen sizes into 4 generalized sizes: small, normal, large, and extra large. Then take care of screen density, the quantity of pixels within a physical area of the screen, usually referred to as DPI, which means dots per inch. For example, a low-density screen has fewer pixels within a given physical area compared to a normal or high-density screen. Android groups all actual screen densities into 4 generalized densities: low, medium, high, and extra high. Then we got the resolution, the total number of physical pixels on a screen. And at last, density-independent pixels, or DP, a virtual pixel unit that you should use when defining UI layouts. I'm sure you are familiar with it, but to express layout dimensions or positions in a density-independent way, we use DP. Screen compatibility mode is always enabled and the user cannot disable it. To disable the version of screen compatibility mode in version lower than 3.1, you simply need to set Android minimum SDK or target SDK to 4 or higher. For larger screens such as tablets and on Android 3.1 above, you should disable screen compatibility mode in order to maintain the best user experience. Otherwise, users may enable screen compatibility and experience your application in a less than ideal format. To do that, we have to specify the minimum SDK and target SDK to 11 or higher. And then inside the manifest file, we have to add the support screens and specify the X large screen to true. That's it. It declares that your application supports all large screens available.